Breaking space news, JWST might just have found an exoplanet in the habitable zone of the nearest sun-like star. The star, called Alpha Centauri A, is actually part of a triple star system, including Alpha Centauri B and Proxima Centauri, which is the closest of the three to Earth. Now, we have already discovered 3 exoplanets around Proxima Centauri, but Proxima is a much smaller and cooler star than our sun. Alpha Centauri A is only a little bit bigger than the sun, and being so close to Earth makes it a really interesting star to study. You might also know Alpha Centauri A from the Avatar movies, because Pandora is the moon of a Jupiter-like planet in the Alpha Centauri system. And this potential JWST discovery is a Jupiter-like planet in the habitable zone, which means liquid water could exist there. Now, the planet itself couldn't support life as we know it, but if it had moons... But as I've alluded to, we're not certain this planet actually exists. You see, in observations taken in August 2024, they did see something that looked like a planet. But then in follow-up observations in February and April of 2025, that detection was gone. There was no planet to be seen. That doesn't mean that it's not there. The researchers ran a bunch of simulations probing different orbital paths for the planet, and in about 50% of scenarios, the planet would be too close to the star in those February and April windows to actually be detected by JWST. But it still doesn't mean that first detection was real. It's going to take more follow-up observations to see if it exists. But if it does, or if they find other planets, it's really exciting because this is such an interesting system. Alpha Centauri A is only 4.3 light years away and very similar to our sun, while still being a very unique system with the triple star thing. It's a fascinating environment to study, and I do hope we find more planets there.